Did you know that 60% of high-income earners are still living paycheck to paycheck? Not financial advice, but this shocking statistic reveals a harsh reality: high income does not equal wealth. And what I'm about to show you will change how you think about your financial future. In 2026, many professionals are finding themselves stuck in the income trap, where their high incomes are not translating to wealth. This matters now more than ever, as the cost of living continues to rise and financial security becomes increasingly important. If you're ready to break free from the income trap and start building real wealth, keep watching. So, why does high income not equal wealth? The answer lies in the way we think about money. Many high-income earners fall into the trap of lifestyle inflation, where they increase their spending as their income rises. This means that instead of saving and investing their money, they're using it to fund a more luxurious lifestyle. But here's the part nobody talks about. Let's look at some real data. According to a recent study, the top 10% of earners in the US have a median net worth of around $1.4 million. However, when you break down the numbers, you'll see that the majority of this wealth is not due to their high incomes, but rather due to their investments and assets. For example, the study found that the top 10% of earners hold around 80% of their wealth in investments such as stocks, real estate, and businesses. This is in stark contrast to the bottom 90%, who hold around 60% of their wealth in low-yielding assets such as cash and bonds. So, what can you do to avoid the income trap and start building real wealth? First, it's essential to understand that wealth is not just about how much you earn, but also about how much you keep. This means creating a budget, saving, and investing your money wisely. It's also crucial to avoid lifestyle inflation and instead focus on building multiple income streams. Remember, this is not financial advice, but rather a general overview of the importance of building wealth. Always consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. If you're ready to break free from the income trap and start building real wealth, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more content on wealth-building strategies and financial freedom. And as we explore more topics in our next video, such as the power of compound interest,